Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. We begin here on the larger time frame, and I just want to highlight again that we are holding still way above critical support, which is located at 9.88 cents. And it looks more and more like the blue scenario in which the price could easily form another low. Yeah, so from a larger time frame point of view, there is absolutely no evidence that a low has formed, a substantial low. The support area is between 9.8 cents and 16.7 cents and could easily be tested in this blue scenario. To be honest, it's the same scenario in which I'm tracking this as a wave 4 correction, which is, yeah, a corrective pullback after an uptrend. But this pullback could easily, as I said, still be unfolding. It might be finished in the white count. In the blue count, it's still unfolding. Important is simply to understand that it's the same scenario, right? The support area is the same for both of them. It's just a different variation of the same scenario. So the wave 4 completed, no evidence for it at this stage, okay? And with that sharp pullback that we see right now, and I will take a look at the smaller time frame in a minute, there is also no evidence at all that a low is in it. Rather looks a little bit as if the blue C wave to the downside is actually unfolding. And where could it take us? Where could it take us? One way of calculating a target in wave C or for wave C is to take the length of the A wave and we go to the high of the B wave with our Fibonacci extension tool. And it points towards 12.9 to 13 cents, which is also where another Fibonacci retracement support level is located. So there are two levels that pretty much overlap there, which is quite interesting. Now, what is also noteworthy is that overall, as long as we're holding above 9.8 cents, I'm going to watch for one more high in this cycle, which should be in the blue scenario a wave 5. In the yellow scenario, it's also a wave 5. It just the wave count is slightly different. It would just complete a larger B wave here in yellow and not a C wave in white. Eventually, in the short term, that is not so important to understand the difference there. We can talk about that maybe in another video. For now, I think in the medium term, what is important, we want to see one more high. In the very short term, I think we have to prepare for a move down to 12.9 cents, which would be further confirmed if the price breaks below this line that is located at 17.5 cents. However, there will be a warning level before that we will take a look at on the smaller time frame now. So short-term HBAR update. Here you can see that the price rallied in potentially a 5-wave move. Actually, what I need to do here, what I have labeled here as yellow should actually be blue, like on the larger time frame. This is the same wave count, it's just a different chart, so I've got different colors. But to keep it very simple, we can just shift this to blue, just to show this is the same scenario. And what you can easily see is that there is a micro support area here located at 21.8 cents. And as long as we're holding above that, the option for one more high in this rally remains there, but the market has not yet formed 5 waves up. So why do I say 5 waves is needed or would be ideal? Because from a bullish point of view, the white scenario, which is the scenario in which this correction already completed, from that white scenario point of view, we need 5 waves up for a first confirmation that a substantial low formed. As long as the rally is in 3 waves, there is no evidence that the white scenario has completed. And on top of that, a 5-wave move in itself isn't going to be enough for confirmation. We will also need to see if after that one more high, the price can hold a higher low. Because only a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave move down indicates that an uptrend has started. I mean, you don't normally want to buy after the 5 waves up anyway, because typically it will be corrected. So this pullback here should be a good opportunity. But for now, I mean, I would not expect one more high. It can happen, definitely something to watch for. From a trading point of view, it can make sense to just let it play out and see if the pullback is corrective and then accumulate here. Until then, I think one more low targeting the 12.5 to 13 cent area is very likely. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.